Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot chocolate tabla. First, gather your essential ingredients, primarily raw cacao beans and sugar. You'll also need specific tools like a grinder, a roasting pan, and molds. Selecting high-quality cacao beans is absolutely crucial for achieving that rich, authentic taste. Make sure all your equipment is clean and ready before you begin the process. This careful preparation ensures a smooth and enjoyable chocolate-making experience from start to finish. Now, let's roast those cacao beans. Spread them in a single layer on a baking sheet and roast at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. This develops their flavor. Once roasted, let them cool completely. Then, it's time for winnowing, which means removing the thin husks from the beans. You can do this by hand or with a simple fan setup. With your winnowed cacao nibs ready, it's time to grind them. Place the nibs into your grinder and begin processing. As the nibs break down, they'll release their natural oils, forming a thick paste. Gradually add your sugar during this stage, allowing it to fully incorporate. Continue grinding until the mixture is incredibly smooth and has a fine, uniform consistency. This step is key for a luxurious tabla. Finally, pour your warm, smooth chocolate paste into your chosen molds. You can use traditional round molds or any shape you prefer. Let them cool and solidify completely at room temperature or in the refrigerator. Once firm, your homemade tabla is ready. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Store your finished tabla in an airtight container to maintain its freshness and flavor for future enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.